good day, YouTubers, friends, and family from across the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide, September 18th, 2018. Welcome to another surviving day on this planet. We're going to start off here at the Pacific Disaster Center, looking at the major disasters from around the world. We're looking at a lot of flooding, a lot of storms throughout the areas where those large typhoons and hurricanes were spinning. So, southeastern United States, looking at flood warnings, also tornado warnings from remnants of Florence, parts of Malaysia, China, Taiwan, all receiving flood alerts, storm alerts due to Super Typhoon Mangkhut, who is still raging across Malaysia right now. A lot of volcanoes popping off too, and still a lot of fires around the world. I'm going to get more in depth with that tomorrow. But today we are going to do our regular weather update, earthquake update, Pacific Disaster Center. It's been a very busy 24 hours for earthquakes, but for weather, no major storms around the world. Go figure. After that little bzzzt, we've got no typhoons, no tropical storms spinning on our planet. But what we do have is some very cold air coming down to Canada as this large low pressure system is spinning just north of us into the Hudson's Bay. That is a winter engine, folks. High pressure ridge building up behind it. Cold temperatures, definitely, for this weekend. Ontario and parts of northeastern United States seeing a very large low pressure system head across later in the week. Will bring a lot of thunderstorms, drastic changes in temperature. Snow coming to parts of Calgary this weekend. Large low pressure center here. And looking at the remnants of Typhoon Mangkhut heading into the Indian Ocean. After leaving India, we'll see, it might reform in the Indian Ocean here. We will see in the coming days. And thank you for watching today. I want to thank all of my subscribers from around the world. Much love. Thank you so much for subscribing and sharing and watching. I want to thank you all so much. If it wasn't for you guys, I would not be doing this anymore. Much love. So yeah, large low pressure center developing in the Atlantic Ocean later in the week as well. And parts of Europe now getting remnants of Tropical Storm Helene, and also another low pressure accompanied with that coming from the north, bringing a lot of rain and winds towards the United Kingdom. Watch these tight isobars as that low pressure center moves in. Very rainy and windy event coming to Ireland and parts of the United Kingdom. And of course, snow in the higher elevations as temperatures in the northern hemisphere are starting to dip. Watching this large low pressure center off the coast of South America. But yes, please share with your friends and family from across the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew, posting my severe weather analysis and disaster alerts from around the world, using regular apps that everybody can use every day. I post my research the world and for myself, so I can document these changes. And now, just had a most recent earthquake, a 5.8 earthquake in the Solomon Islands. This just happened as I was making the video, and we've had a lot of movement from west to east after some pretty deep earthquakes yesterday in the Tonga region, almost a 600 kilometer depth. 5.0 yesterday, 577 kilometer depth. South America receiving a few rumbles as well. 4.5 in Argentina. And then the southwest Indian Ridge popping off, a 5.8 today as well, followed by a 4.9. Greece going off today as well. And Tajikistan, 4.9 late last night. Stay aware and prepared, folks. Have a plan, because these earthquakes could happen in your area. And it's always best to be safe than sorry, and be prepared and aware than not at all. Just looking at the last 7 days for earthquakes today, I'm going to leave you with that. Again, thank you for watching today. This has been Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide. Stay aware and prepared. Stay young and have fun. And get your morning dew. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family from across the world.